Hey, babies are having fun in their new pen.
What are you guys watching?
There's Miss Red and little bitty green girl having a wrestling match. That's Miss Blue right there. No, that's the boy. Whatever. There's Miss Blue. Hi, baby. Meow. What's a bark? Bark, bark, bark. Somebody say something. Meow. Meow. What do you think? What's the matter? Oh no, somebody's picking me up. And the other two? Oh, we'll have some dinner. Peppy pen is 2 foot wide by 6 foot long in the bedroom with me, and they love it. They are so cute, so square. Wish I could get down on their level, but I'm afraid they'd just attack the phone. Hello, Miss Red. Hello, baby. See? Hi. Hey, kitty bug. You guys are fun. Fun, fun, fun. Get him, Blue. Get him. Nerf. Okay, that's enough video.